Deep powder nails at home. I have already prepped my nails and I'm going to show you how the kit looks like. I got the kit off Amazon. I'm going to leave the description in the box so that you can get the exact one. It was only 100 dirhams. I know it's fall, but I couldn't help it. These are so pretty colors. So I decided to go with this kit because normally I would use normal colors like nude and solid colors like red, but never these colorful kind of colors. So the bottles have the base, the activator, and it has a base, the activator, and something else. What was it? I've forgotten. The one for wiping up your brush. So I decided to set up my working surface, and I decided on the color, which is purple glitter. So I'm just putting kitchen towels so that I don't have a lot of spills, and then arrange my liquids, the base, the top coat, and the activator, so that it can be easy when I'm applying. I don't know about you, but the place I have to go and get my nails done, it's 10 minutes, 15 minutes from my house, and I wasn't feeling like doing anything of the sort. And when I saw this on Amazon, I decided, why not make my own nails? Plus, it's so easy. The deep powder nails are just an alternative to the gel nails with a long-lasting effect. And you can make them at home. You don't need the light after they dry by themselves. So it's a very easy at home thing to do. Yeah, see how the color is. It's so pretty. It's purple with glitter. Yes, and that's my base coat. It's just a little bit hard to open. I just want, this is my first ever trial base. I've never used deep powder before, and I've never done deep powder nails by myself. So this is my first time ever trying it out, and I just wanted to see what it was all about. I knew I wanted to get deep powder nails, and I think going and getting it to the nail parlor is a little bit costly than doing it at home. Plus the kit came with a lot of colors that are going to last me a long time. So I decided, why not first try it out at home and see how it goes. So I've just applied the base coat, and then I'm trying to wipe out the corners. You can apply as many layers as you want. This is the first one. After I applied, I thought it's a little bit too translucent for me. I wanted it to be a deep purple, so I'm just going to apply another layer to it. But it's so cute and pretty. It's very pretty actually. The color is really nice. So I'm just going to apply another layer of the base coat, and then I'm going to dip into the powder again. So I'm dipping my nails into the powder again. You can do as many layers as you want. For this particular color, 2 was good, but because of the glitter, I think But next time when I'm trying the solid colors, I will see if I can do a single dip only and see how it goes. So clean off the sides of your nails, and I'm going to repeat the whole process in my arm and see how it goes. You can buff to smoothen the nail, and since it's at home process, I don't think you can use the what what is it that they call the nail technician use. You know what I mean. But since it's at home process, just use a nail buffer to smoothen the nail, and then that's me applying the activator. So the activator is just going to, I don't know what it does, but it smells really strong. And then after the activator, I'm just going to seal and protect with a top coat.